Eat one's word. अल्फाज वापस लेना. The foolish man had to eat his words. Every Tom, Dick, and Harry. हर शख्स. Every Tom, Dick, and Harry entered in the hall after taking tickets. And in smoke. नाकाम होना. He ended his book in bow election. Every inch. मुकम्मल तौर पर. I have visited every inch of Pakistan. Egg on. उकसाना. He was egged on by his family to quarrel with his dear friend. Economy of truth. झूठ. Her talk is based on economy of truth. Elfish selfish. खूबसूरत लेकिन खुद गरज. She is an elfish selfish girl. Equal to the occasion. हंगामी सूरत हाल के लिए मौजू. The training imparted to the soldiers was unequal to the occasion. Even date. एक जैसी तारीख. I received your 2 letters on even date. Every here and there. हर जगह. Smuggled goods are being sold in Pakistan. Every here and there.